Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we want to find a minus b. If we are given a plus b equals ab equals a divided by b. So to solve this, we'll consider by letting the first one, which is a plus b, equals what follows it, which is ab. And we call this one equation 1. Again, we are going to let ab equals a divided by b. But what I'm going to do here is, if I let a divided by b, so this is also equals ab. So since both of them are commutative, and we call it equation 2. So having this equation 2 and equation 1. So we know we have a, b, which both a plus b and a over b equals ab. So can we just say a plus b equals a divided by b? So when we do that, we get 0. So, and we will not get the answer we need. So I'll just stray from equation 2, which says a divided by b equals a b. So let's say we cross multiply, so that we have b multiplied by ab. That gives us ab squared equals a. So at the two sides, if I cancelled a and a, so let's say we divide both sides by a, we have b squared equals 1. So having b squared equals 1, we take 1 to this side because it's a quadratic. So we have b squared minus 1 equals 0. And if this is 1 square, and from x square minus y square, this is the same thing as x minus y, open bracket, x plus y. If b is x and y is 1, we are going to have it as b minus 1, open bracket, b plus 1 equals 0. And for these two equations to be equals to 0, we are going to have b minus 1 equals 0, or we have b plus 1 equals 0. Having these two equals 0, then we get the value of b equals 1, and we also get the value of b equals minus 1. If these two are the values of b, which you cannot conclude that the two of them truly satisfy this, so we consider from equation 1. So from equation 1, which is a plus b equals ab. So suppose we try when b equals 1. We substitute here, then we have a plus 1 equals a multiplied by 1, which is also a. Then we have a plus 1 equals a. And when we take a to other side, so we see that a cancels a, so which means that the result of this one is contradiction. So it contradicts. Then we have to neglect b equals 1 since it doesn't satisfy this. Also, at b equals minus 1, so we put it here so that we have a plus open bracket minus 1 for the value of b equals a into bracket of minus 1. Then we have a plus times minus, that is minus 1, equals a times minus 1, that is minus a. Then we collect the like terms by taking a here, taking 1 to other side. So we have a plus a equals 1. Then a plus a, that gives us 2a equals 1. Then we divide both sides by 2. This cancels. Then we have a equals 1 divided by 2. So if this is the value of A for when B equals minus 1, since this is not contradictory to what we have at the answer, then we assume that we agree that A equals 1 over 2 satisfy this, and B equals to minus 1 are the only two solutions to this. Then according to what was asked, that find A minus B. So to get A minus B, so we try to substitute the value of A, which is 1 divided by 2 minus open bracket. So we get A equals 1 over 2 at B equals minus 1. So then we put minus 1 here. So therefore we have 3 divided by 2. That is the value of A minus B. Alright. So this is how to solve this. So we can also verify for A plus B, AB and A over B when B equals minus 1 and A equals 1 over 2. They are going to be equal. So this is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please try to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.